Instoried review. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instoried. Instoried is a text analysis tool that can help you write better content. Hey there, my name is Saurabh, and whether you're a beginner or an experienced writer, this tool can help you take your writing skills to the next level. So stay tuned and I will show you how it works. In case you're new to this channel is all about latest software and info product reviews so that you can make an informed buying decision. So before we move on, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Instoried can help you enhance your content writing, your content which you have written, by adding empathy, by adding human touch, by adding emotions to that piece of content. And using that, you can emotionally target your customers. So if you want to send some emails, if you want to write a blog post or a social media post which you want your target audience to hit, then you can write up that post and run it through Instoried, and it will add that human component, that element, that empathy that can correct your content by analyzing the tones and add those emotions which is required, so that content gets connected to the audience which you want to target. So how it does that? It basically analyzes your headline, it analyzes the emotion in it, the tones, and it has also got a built-in plagiarism tracker so that you can make sure that your content is unique all over the internet, and you can get these corrections as well in this tool. And basically it can help you to boost your customer engagement. It can help you to beautify your content using the power of artificial intelligence, as it is an AI powered tool. And it has got these two tools, emotional tool and developer portal. So with emotional tool, as I said, you can create stories, you can create a seamless environment to examine and improve your content. So it's going to improve that content. We will take a look at it right now, how it works. In order to log in, just go on the top. You need to create an account for yourself first, and then just need to click on apps on the top and click on emotional tool, and it is going to open up dashboard of yours. So you will be getting an option to create a new document or upload any existing document. And let's say we want to create a new document, and I've already got a piece of content written, so I'll just use this over here. Okay, so as you can see, I have written this headline, and if you look at it, it is analyzing the headline. So it says it is short and the impact score is 62.5. so basically I just need to add something more in this headline to make it better. So it is also giving me the suggestion to generate the headline. So I click on generate, so it is going to generate the headline for me. It should work. For some reason it is not working, so let's say see, as I wrote this additional line, it has turned into good and the impact score has increased. And you can see it has also generated this headline over here. Tampa SEO consultants, why you need them. And let's say if we want to use this one, I can use this, and it is also giving me the negative words, or if I want to include those or not. And now let's select any other piece of content here, and then we click on tone, and for some reason it is not able to recognize the tone. Okay, now it has. So you need to select the piece of content, and then it is going to give you these different options: positive tone, negative tone, neutral tone, and it has got the AI analysis and the panel analysis. So if you want to create a panel, you can create a new panel as well. So it has got 46% positive words, 17% negative, and 38% neutral. So it is giving me suggestions. Now if I can, instead of has, I can use this one, provides, and similarly I can change these words, and accordingly this score is going to increase or decrease. And this is the whole point. This is how it's going to do the tone of your content. Now let's have a look at the emotion part of it. So it is showing joy 54%, anger 15%. If I just select this piece of content, fear 15%, sadness 16, and surprise 0%. So joy, so the emotion is good for this piece of content which I have written. And now let's have a look at plagiarism. So all you need to do, just click on check for plagiarism and it's going to analyze it. The interface looks pretty much similar to Grammarly. If you have used Grammarly before, it looks similar to Grammarly, but it has got these additional features. So it is analyzing the content right now and it doesn't work. This is a new tool and I'm using the free version of it, so there may be some bugs in it which the developing team are currently working on it. And you can also see some corrections over here, some grammar corrections. You can get it corrected right here. So yeah, this is how this tool analyze your content and create a content that gets connected to your target audience. And you have got these options on the left side. You've got the home, you've got the settings. Basically it's going to set the settings for yourself, and you can also access the help from here. So they've got these help available for you, and you can also create the content by clicking on this add story. So they call content as stories. So you can just click on this button and you can do it from here as well. You can start from scratch from here. So now talking about the price point for if you click on the link down below, I'm going to give you a special deal which is a lifetime deal for Instoried. So there are basically 3 plans which are available. The first plan is $39 for lifetime and it is for 1 user, and the plan B is for $97. So if you want multiple users to access tool, then you can use plan B, which is for 10 users, and plan C is for 20 users and that will cost you $197. And these are just one-time prices, lifetime prices you're going to get. And to access them, just click on the link in the description and from there you can make the purchase. I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.